Happy Wednesday, February 4th. Welcome to the Energy Experience, powered by Ag Valley Co-op. I am David Dodson, Vice President of Energy here at Ag Valley, bringing you expert analysis in the energy markets. Recent U.S. Navy actions involving an Iranian drone that was shot down by U.S. forces near the USS Abraham Lincoln, tied to also a gunboat that approached a U.S. flagged oil tanker in the Strait of Hormuz, have amped up oil prices a little bit here as the U.S. and Iran are about to restart negotiations. So keeping oil shipments from the Middle East pretty volatile. Security concerns may raise shipping costs and insurance, pushing oil prices higher since the Strait of Hormuz is a crucial element in the global oil transportation world. New U.S.-India trade deal, which lowers tariffs and encourages India to import less Russian oil, has improved market confidence. It is expected to boost demand for U.S. energy exports. However, India's shift away from Russian oil will be slow due to existing contracts and refinery limitations, which also prevent Venezuelan oil from fully replacing Russian supplies. The Russia-Ukraine war continues to support high oil prices as ongoing fighting and limited diplomatic progress mean sanctions and reduced Russian exports are likely to continue. Even though oil inventories are expected to grow through 2026, prices are still affected by world events, especially if supplies are disrupted. Despite more supply and increased oil and storage, the conflict in Eastern Europe and sanctions have kept prices otherwise higher than what supply alone would suggest. Oil production forecasts show a decrease in light crude out of Europe and the U.S., with one field in Norway expected to decline by 10 to 20% in 2026. In U.S. shale growth staying limited, production of light sweet crude is shifting to Guyana, Brazil, and Argentina, making these countries more important in the market. Shipping rates for large tankers carrying Persian Gulf oil to China have jumped, reflecting increased risks at important shipping points. Venezuelan oil shipments rose sharply from December to January, while Iranian shipments fell significantly and U.S. volumes stayed steady due to more competition from Nigerian and Guyanese light sweet oil. That's kind of a global rundown of the oil markets, and right now we are approaching that 11 o'clock hour on February 4th. Crude oil is trading up 35 cents at 63.56. New York Harbor gasoline is trading up 2 cents, and heating oil is trading down about a penny. I'm David Dodson. Thank you for joining us for this week's Energy Experience, powered by Ag Valley Co-op, and we'll see you next time.